Two top cybersecurity names, Trend Micro and Sophos, go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Trend Micro. Smart, layered security for endpoints and cloud. On the right, Sophos. Unified next-gen cybersecurity for modern enterprises. Let's skip the buzzwords and see how these two stack up in real-world categories. Each category earns points, and by the end, you'll see exactly who takes the lead. The result might just surprise you in 2025.
So, quick map check. Here's how we're breaking this down. Price and plans, because budgets matter. Features, ease of management, detection and response, integrations and ecosystem, and finally, user ratings and support. You ready? Let's roll. Let's kick off with price and plans. Trend Micro gives you a free trial, and their plans are super flexible, whether you're a small business or a going enterprise. But okay, a quick heads up. Their pricing isn't just laid out for you. You kind of have to ask around for custom quotes, and when you hit those enterprise levels, things can definitely start adding up. Now, Sophos is pretty similar here. Free trial, flexible options for SMBs and big players, but again, no obvious price tags. If you want those premium features, you're jumping into the higher tiers. Honestly, both are on that call for pricing vibe, so I'm calling this one a tie. Next, features! So, with Trend Micro, you get your basics covered. Real-time antivirus, ransomware protection, web and email security, plus some neat things like parental controls and mobile device protection. There's even a firewall and password manager baked in, which is kind of nice. But here's the thing. If you want those super intelligent, adaptive defenses, you might feel a little limited, and setup can get technical if you want advanced stuff. Now, switching over to Sophos, here's something cool. Their attack protection actually adapts automatically, and you get a single cloud console to manage everything. Health checks run on autopilot, and they offer integrated services like XDR and MDR. Their ecosystem just feels unified, honestly. Quick quirk though, file rollback is capped at 10 megabytes, and of course, top features live in those pricier packages. So if you want the best, Sophos is packing serious heat here. The winner for this round. All right, ease of management. With Trend Micro, there's a central web console and tons of settings to tweak. But be warned, the console can feel a bit overwhelming, especially if you're new to this stuff. There's definitely more admin work, and the risk of accidentally misconfiguring things is real. Sophos just makes things easier. You get a single dashboard for everything. Alerts are simple to triage, and admin overhead, way less. I mean, there's a learning curve if you want to mess with their really advanced tricks, but overall, management is intuitive and streamlined. Easy win for Sophos. Oh, and here's something cool before we wrap the scoring. Did you know Sophos MDR integrates with third-party controls, so you don't have to rip out your old security tools just to get managed threat response on board. Handy, right? Now, let's talk detection and response. Trend Micro offers alerting, reporting, and some basic MDR, EDR features. But honestly, it kind of assumes you've got pro analysts on your team. And if you're hit with hands-on attacks, the system doesn't just auto-adapt. On the flip side, Sophos gives you a fully managed MDR with an actual 24/7 analyst team backing you up. Threat hunting gets automated. You get third-party integrations, and incident response is included in the upper plans. Slight catch. IR retainer is optional in lower tiers. But for practical defense and peace of mind, Sophos easily outpaces here. All right, now integrations and ecosystem. Trend Micro comes with API support and hooks into major business platforms, so you're not left hanging. But when it comes to that real-time, seamless connection between security products, it's just not quite as tight. Sophos brings it all together. They've got that security heartbeat thing, syncing endpoint, server, and cloud. Plus, integrating third-party controls is a breeze. One caveat though, full integration magic happens mostly with higher plans. Still, for a connected environment, Sophos takes the edge. And lastly, user ratings and support. So, Trend Micro scores solid, with around 4.5 out of 5 from users. Support is 24/7, covers mobile platforms, and you can chat or call. Only hiccup, what you get might depend on your region or plan. Sophos, though, it's basically 5-star reviews all around. They offer 24/7 help, killer documentation, and even training and onboarding. Some features do get restricted by plan, but overall, user experience and support are top-notch. Sophos, again, is our winner on this front. So, let's step back and see the big picture. Trend Micro holds its own in flexibility and basic protection, but Sophos consistently scores higher across features, management, detection, integration, and overall user satisfaction. All right, so here's my honest take. Sophos is your go-to if your business needs unified protection with easy controls and really smart adaptive attack defense out of the box. It's got the whole package. Now, Trend Micro, it's super reliable, layered, and flexible, but you do need a bit more IT muscle to get the most out of it. So, hey, if this breakdown helped out your security review, pass it along. And, seriously, hit up the vendors for demos to catch their latest features and pricing.